In this video, I will show you how to write vertical text in Microsoft Excel. So easy and simple way. Firstly, like you want to type this text as vertical here. So firstly, select and cut. Now select these all cells and click on merge and center. Now keep your cursor here and paste it. Now select it and click anywhere. Now again click this cell and here in this home tab you will see this option. So select vertical text, click anywhere, again select it and click on wrap text. Now click on format cell alignment and here are some more options. Select here general, vertical, select justify and click on OK. If you see it's not proper, so again format cells and here select center and select wrap text and click on OK. Now just make some smaller like this. Here also you can change some more settings. And here select rotate text up. Now make more size. And change the color. Like this. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.